Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a one-time viewed video on Snapchat step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. It's the speech bubble icon. Step 3. Now select the chat where you want to send the one-time viewed video. This will take you to the conversation with that person or group. Step 4. Next, tap the camera button to take a snap. This will start recording your video. Step 5. After that, tap on the timer icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you set how long the snap will last. Step 6. Set the timer to 1 second for a one-time viewing. This means the video will disappear after the recipient views it once. Step 7. Finally, hit the send button to send your video. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.